Hello students, this is Shikhar and it is your reasoning class today, and I will tell you the concept of chapter number 10 of reasoning, that is ranking test. Okay, and this chapter is about the ranks and order, like this question, which is Rinki and Nisha are ranked 7th and 8th respectively in a class of 15. There are 15 students and Rinki's and Nisha's ranks are 7th and 8th among them. What are their ranks from the last respectively? अच्छा, ये तो उनकी स्टार्टिंग से रैंक है, फर्स्ट से लेकर 15 तक. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड देयर रैंक्स फ्रॉम द बॉटम, which is reverse order, that is 15 to 1. Okay, now we know that there are 15 students, so we will find Rinki's first, and the formula is that 15 minus rank from the top, which is 7, and plus 1. So when we subtract 7 from 15, we will get 8, and we will add 1 to the 8, and the answer will be 9. So Rinki's rank from the bottom will be 9th, and we will do the same for Nisha, that is 15 minus Nisha's rank from the top, which is 8, and plus 1. So when we subtract 8 from the 15, we will get 7, and add 1 to 8, and the number we will get will be 8. So Rinki's rank from the last will be 9, and Nisha's rank from the last will be 8. I will tell you again that there are 15 students, and Rinki's and Nisha's ranks are given from of the top, from the top order. Okay, so we put the total number of students 15 here, subtracted their top ranks from the top, and added 1 to it. So we got 9 and 8 for Rinki and Nisha respectively. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Now Vinay is 14th from the right and in a row of 40 boys. The question is Vinay is 14th from the right and in a row of 40 boys. ठीक है, right and it means, and the total number of boys are 40. What is his position from the left hand? Vinay's right hand position is given. We have to find his left one. So we will again use the same formula. The total number of students are 40, and we subtracted 14th, which is Vinay's right hand's rank, 14th. So when we subtracted 14 from 40, we got 26, and we added as per the rule 1, so the rank will be 27th. We used the same formula as the previous question. We took the total number of students minus Vinay's right hand's rank, and we got 26, and added 1 to it, and then we got 27. Okay, students, I am going to tell you about question number 3, which is Varun ranks 7th from the top and 26th from the bottom in a class. It means एक क्लास में एक लड़का है वरुण, उसकी रैंक आई है टॉप से 7th और बॉटम से 26th. अब हमें इन दोनों रैंक से ये बताना है कि उसकी क्लास में टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने हैं। जब टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स नहीं दिए होते तो ये होता है कि जो दो रैंक्स होती है उनको हम ऐड करते हैं, ओके, और फिर उनमें से 1 सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, ये रूल होता है, ओके। तो हमने क्या किया, 7 और 26 को प्लस कर दिया यहाँ पर, 7 and 26 विल बी 33, इन दोनों को प्लस किया तो आंसर विल बी 33, लेकिन नॉट येट, द आंसर हैज नॉट कम येट। फिर उसमें हम 33 में से 1 माइनस करेंगे एज पर द रूल, और 33 में से 1 गए, कॉमन सी बात है कि 32 आएगा, ये तो सब कर लेंगे, ओके।